Trading Forex can be energizing for novices in the trading business, yet sooner or later, when they become experienced merchants, they frequently observe that they are prepared to step things up a score and evaluate something less secure. With expanded risk, they ordinarily likewise experience higher prizes, which is a decent blend to bring the fervor back into trading for them. In this video, however, first like and subscribe into this channel. Let's dive in. Trading with leverage is, hence, an ideal arrangement. Notwithstanding, to allow yourself the best opportunity to procure higher prizes, you first need to view as a legitimate broker. For this reason, we concocted a rundown of top 10 brokers that offer high leverage in a protected climate, and tick all, or if nothing else, the majority of the right boxes. As the unfamiliar trade market proceeds to develop and extend, an ever-increasing number of dealers are going to high leverage Forex brokers to boost their likely benefits. High leverage trading permits brokers to take on bigger situations with more modest measures of capital, expanding the potential for high returns. However, with so many Forex brokers offering high leverage trading, it very well may be hard to tell which ones are awesome. That is the reason we've assembled this exhaustive manual for the best high leverage Forex brokers in 2023. To start with, we should investigate what high leverage trading is and the way in which it works. At the point when you exchange with leverage, you get cash from your broker to take on bigger situations than you could with your own assets. For instance, in the event that you have a leverage proportion of 101, you have some control over a position worth $100,000 with only $1,000 of your own cash. While high leverage trading can offer the potential for enormous benefits, it likewise accompanies expanded risk. Since you are trading with acquired cash, misfortunes can mount rapidly, assuming your exchanges conflict with you. It's essential to painstakingly deal with your gamble and utilize fitting stop misfortune orders to restrict possible misfortunes. With that as a primary concern, we should investigate the best high leverage Forex brokers for 2023. After extensive research, we have come up with a list of top 10 best high leverage Forex brokers for your convenience, where you will, hopefully, find at least one that fits your needs. Without further ado, here are the ones we can recommend. 1. Libertex grants professional traders a leverage ratio of 601. In the third spot, we have a dealer that has been around for nearly 25 years, called Libertex. This company is among the most established high leverage Forex specialists in the whole business, and it allows X30 leverage for Forex pairs, on the off chance that you are a retail client, and up to X600 leverage for professional accounts. It is regulated by SEC, and that expects it to restrict its leverage for retail clients, although X30 leverage isn't really that bad. Another thing to note is that the company offers 3 trading platforms, including MD4, MD5, and its own platform. Regardless of which one they pick, clients will have access to 51 trading pairs, all of which can be traded with X30 leverage. Another advantage quite significant here is that its base store is very low, and it just demands you to store at least $10. Pros: $10 least store, X30 leverage for retail accounts, and X600 for professional clients. Authorized and regulated by SEC. Offers 3 trading platform. Cons: offers a fairly low variety of items. 2. Skilling offers a high leverage ratio of 500. 1. Skilling is another entirely reliable platform, and this one has been around for just 5 years. Be that as it may, despite the fact that it is relatively new, it immediately became a go-to place for Forex and CFD traders who are keen on leverage trading. The reason for this is the fact that the platform offers X500 leverage on major cash pairs and files, and around X200 for minor ones, which is as yet massive leverage compared to others on this rundown. Gold also shares this same X200 leverage, while items and minor records have access to X100 leverage. Stocks and digital currencies have a significantly smaller one, notwithstanding, X10 for stocks and X5 for crypto. One thing to note, in any case, is that Skilling's financial administrations are somewhat unique for European traders, with X30 leverage for retail accounts, and X200 for professional ones. Pros: north of 800 financial instruments altogether. Regulated by FSA and SEC. A decent place for novices and professionals alike. No trading charges, just spreads. Very high leverage for certain asset types. Offers duplicate trading. Cons: No ETF trading is available. 3. AvaTrade top decision of a high leverage merchant for master traders. AvaTrade is a great decision of a high leverage merchant for professional traders, thanks to the fact that it has a lot of advanced trading devices, a range of platforms, and it operates in numerous districts around the world. With regards to its leverage, it varies starting with one country then onto the next, with the maximum leverage ratio being x400 for Forex, x200 for products, x20 for ETFs, and x10 for stocks. Other than that, AvaTrade also offers Forex choices, which makes it one of the rare few agents that do. In any case, while leverage for Forex is x400, with regards to Forex choices, it is just x100. Pros: up to 400, 1 leverage. Low spreads. Heavily regulated. Offers leverage for Forex choices trading. Numerous trading platforms. Cons: there is a margin charge. 4. Vantage FX top Forex specialist with leveraged trading. Up next, we have Vantage FX, which isn't as heavily regulated as the others, which is the reason it can offer leverage of up to x500. In addition, it has a whole range of trading platforms, and rich with various features and devices can be very helpful to traders from everywhere in the world. It has client service that is available day in and day out, zero spreads, negative balance assurance, and many different advantages that make it attractive to traders, as well as safe and reliable. It ought to also be noticed that it features a half-invite reward for new clients, and it has a variety of types with regards to its trading accounts. An account type known as a SANS swap even allows clients to engage in leveraged trading without having to pay for the time being position expenses. Pros: offers a variety of trading accounts. Zero spreads. X500 leverage. Half-invite reward. Cons: not regulated by the top-level regulators. 8. FinMax FX offers X200 leverage for retail traders. FinMax FX. Halfway down the rundown, we have FinMax FX, which is another phenomenal choice in the event that you want a high leverage Forex specialist with various different advantages. This is an international brokerage company that offers X200 leverage with regards to Forex and products, and X100 leverage for energy instruments, which are also available on its platform. Stocks, then again, just have access to X20. Finally, the representative also offers crypto trading with leverage, with a ratio of just X10. The company is regulated by VFSC and IFMRRC, which are not as severe as any semblance of FCA or SCC, yet at the same time reliable. Besides, the dealer has been operating beginning around 2015 without any issues, so it is entirely safe and reliable. Assuming you pick this one, you will have access to around 50 money pairs and 400 financial instruments altogether. Pros: high leverage of X200 for FX trading. Upholds 75. It offers a lot of instruments, features, and a broad education place. Upholds automated trading. Cons: it has inactivity and withdrawal charges, which are somewhat high. Not authorized by the top regulators. 9. Plus 500 with a leverage proportion of up to 300. 1. Plus 500 is one more top decision for high leverage Forex trading. They offer many monetary instruments, including Forex, wares, records, and cryptographic forms of money, and their foundation is not difficult to utilize and explore. 10. eToro with a leverage proportion of up to 400. 1. eToro is a top decision for merchants searching for high leverage Forex trading. They offer an interesting social trading stage that permits you to follow and duplicate the exchanges of other fruitful merchants, and their client care is great. 11. XN with a leverage proportion of up to 500. 1. XN is one of the highest leverage Forex brokers available. They offer many monetary instruments, including Forex, wares, records, and cryptographic forms of money, and their foundation is not difficult to utilize and explore. 12. FXCM with a leverage proportion of up to 400. 1. FXCM is a top decision for merchants searching for high leverage Forex trading. They offer many monetary instruments, including Forex, products, records, and digital forms of money, and their client care is superb. While picking a high leverage Forex broker, there are a few elements to consider. Notwithstanding the leverage proportion, you'll need to see factors. For example, trading charges, stage highlights, client assistance, and the scope of monetary instruments accessible to exchange. It's additionally essential to painstakingly deal with your gamble while trading with high leverage. While it can offer the potential for enormous benefits, it additionally accompanies expanded hazard, and it's vital to utilize proper gamble the executives' methodologies to restrict possible misfortunes. A few methods for overseeing risk while trading with high leverage incorporate setting suitable stop misfortune orders, utilizing proper position estimating, and trying not to over-leverage your exchanges. It's additionally essential to keep awake to date on market news and patterns, and to be ready to change your trading techniques on a case-by-case basis. Notwithstanding high leverage trading, there are numerous different methodologies and strategies you can use to expand your expected benefits in the Forex market. A few famous procedures incorporate specialized investigation, principal examination, and computerized trading. Specialized examination includes utilizing diagrams and pointers to distinguish patterns and potential trading valuable open doors. On the lookout. Essential examination includes breaking down financial information and news occasions to decide the fundamental factors that are driving business sector developments. Mechanized trading includes utilizing calculations and programming projects to execute exchanges consequently founded on foreordained models. No matter what the procedures you decide to utilize, it's essential that Forex trading conveys intrinsic gamble, and you ought to never gamble beyond what you can stand to lose. It's likewise vital to teach yourself available and trading methodologies prior to making a plunge, and to rehearse with a demo account prior to gambling genuine cash. Taking everything into account, high leverage Forex trading can offer the potential for huge benefits. However, it accompanies expanded risk and requires cautious gamble the board. While picking a high leverage Forex broker, make certain to consider factors. For example, the leverage proportion, trading expenses, stage highlights, client care, and the scope of monetary instruments accessible to exchange. Via cautiously dealing with your gamble and utilizing suitable trading procedures, you can augment your likely benefits in the Forex market. With the right information and instruments, high leverage Forex trading can be a fulfilling and productive experience for dealers. Everything being equal. The following are a couple of extra tips and contemplations for dealers intrigued by high leverage Forex trading. Know about the dangers high leverage trading can offer the potential for huge benefits, yet it additionally accompanies expanded risk. It's vital to comprehend the dangers implied and to painstakingly deal with your gamble with proper stop misfortune orders and position estimating. Pick a trustworthy broker. While trading with high leverage, it's critical to pick a legitimate broker with a strong history and great client service. Search for brokers that are directed by legitimate specialists and that have serious areas of strength in the business. Utilize fitting position measuring while trading with high leverage. It's essential to utilize suitable position estimating to restrict your possible misfortunes. Try not to over-leverage your exchanges, and just gamble a little level of your record on each exchange. Keep awake to date on market news and patterns to find actual success in high leverage Forex trading. Keeping awake to date on market news and trends is significant. Follow monetary information discharges, news occasions, and market editorial to remain informed, and go with informed trading choices. Practice with a demo account prior to gambling genuine cash in high leverage trading. It's smart to rehearse with a demo account. This will permit you to figure out the market and test out your trading systems without gambling genuine cash. Consider utilizing a trading plan. A trading plan can be an important device for overseeing chance and settling on informed trading choices. A trading plan ought to incorporate your entrance and leave rules, stop misfortune orders, and position measuring rules. Differentiate your portfolio to oversee risk and expand your possible benefits. Broadening your trading portfolio is significant. Think about trading various monetary instruments like Forex, items, records, and digital forms of money. High leverage Forex trading can be a fulfilling and productive experience for brokers, all things considered. However, it requires cautious gamble the board and informed trading choices. By observing these tips and rules, you can expand your odds of coming out on top and augment your possible benefits in the Forex market.